Welcome to the world of Metrics Plus, your top destination for test and measurement equipment. We have an entire range covering electrical, NDT, environmental, and surveying equipment catering to a wide range of industries. Let's look at Metrics Plus GLS09M to measure the glossiness of a surface. This is a gloss meter which shows the value in gloss units. Let's take a look what's inside the box. There is the instruction manual and the test certificate. This is the main unit. This is the calibration plate, the charger, and the cleaning cloth. Make sure that you have all these once you get them. Let's understand first how this gloss meter works to measure the gloss value. What is a gloss value? Gloss value is basically the reflectance of any surface, how shiny the surface is. So, this gloss meter has LEDs beneath this. These LEDs emit light and there is a receiver which receives the reflectance of that light. So a light hits a surface and how much is reflected back, that intensity is measured and shown in gloss value. So now that we understood how gloss meter works, let's see how to operate GLS09M. You switch on using this button and the first thing you will see is this is the measured value, this is the angle, and this is the number of measurements which are taken. So this symbol C, it means that the meter is in continuous measuring mode. Every 1 second it is taking a measurement, and you can see that also from a symbol on top right. Every time it lights up, it means it's taking a value. Continuous measurement mode is good, but then it drains the battery fast. So it's recommended that you use it in single measuring mode. To change that, keep the on button pressed for 4 seconds and it will cycle the values. First is off option, the next is SC. Once SC comes, release the button and you can see that the C symbol has disappeared. So that means now it is in single measuring mode. How does that work? This is the measurement button, MEAS. Once you press it, only then the value will be taken and not automatically. So that is what it is recommended to do. Now once it is in single measurement mode, first thing is you have to understand the angle at which the gloss value should be taken. This is a multi-angle gloss meter, which means that it can take in 3 angles, 20 degrees, 60 degrees and 85 degrees. Usually 60 degrees is the standard angle at which gloss is measured, and based on that you can check in 85 or 20. So if in 60 degrees the value is less than 10, then it is recommended to take it at an 85 degree angle. If the value is greater than 70, then take it at 20 degree angle. 60 degree is the standard. Let's see how to change the angle. This is the angle button, and if you press it once, you will see the angle has changed to 20, again and 60. So these LEDs are basically the 3 angles. It is placed at 20, 60 and 85 degrees. And this is the measuring area. Within this area, the gloss value is measured. So make sure that your surface is big enough to fit in this area. Let's see now how to take a reading to measure the gloss. This is a standard calibration plate which is given. It is already calibrated to a specific gloss value. Every plate will have a value written. Here, for example, 60 degree, it will have a gloss value of 105. For 20 degrees and 85 degrees also the values are written. To verify that this instrument is working properly, we have to check with this plate. So let's see how to measure gloss. An arrow is given here, and this should coincide with the indentation given on the calibration plate. So once you keep it, make sure that the arrow and the line, they coincide. Once they coincide, all you have to do is press the MEAS button and it will show the gloss value. So right now at 60 degrees it is showing 130, and the value at it is calibrated, it should be 105. So the instrument is not calibrated. So let's see how to calibrate that. To enter into calibration mode, there is a CAL button given here. Press that, it will calibrate, and you can see in 60 degrees now it is 105. That's it. You just have to press the CAL button while keeping it on the plate and it will calibrate on its own. To verify, measure it again, and you can see now the value is 106. So it is calibrated. Now this can be used to measure the gloss of different materials. Let's check it at different angles also. For 85 degrees we can measure. It is around 97. it should be around 100. So that much tolerance is okay as per its accuracy. At 20 degrees, it is 111. It should be 109. So now the instrument is calibrated at all three angles and you can use it to measure gloss of different materials. There is also the feature of data storage where every measurement that you take is stored. Maximum of 255 values are stored and you can read them. So for them, these buttons are there. Automatically the data is stored. You don't have to press any button, and this number shows how many readings have been taken. So if I take a reading, you can see it increased to 113. So up till now 113 values have been taken. Now to go into the read mode where you can see all the values that are taken, RD button is what you have to press. So once I press the RD button, you can see R symbol is shown, which means that it is now in read mode, the data read mode. So 113th reading is 127. You can cycle it using the up and down button, and these are all the values which are measured. If you want to delete a value, this button is there to delete. So you just press it and the values will get deleted. To go back into measurement mode, just press the MEAS button again. The M symbol will be shown, which means that it is in measurement mode. To delete all the values, press the DEL button for 5 seconds. So once the delete button is pressed for 5 seconds, you can see all the values are deleted and it is back to factory condition. This has an inbuilt battery and you have to charge it using the mains. Please make sure that you charge it regularly. Even if it is not used for a long time, please make sure that you charge it so that the battery doesn't die. So we saw how to use GLS09M to measure the gloss value at different angles. We also have a simple one with single measuring angle of 60 degrees. Please do check that out. We at Metrics Plus are not only about products. We are your trusted advisors to make sure that you get the right instrument as per your specific application. We have our authorized channel partners spread out across India. So make sure that you ask for the authorized channel partner certification before purchasing. Additionally, we also have online selling channels. Our commitment goes beyond sales as we provide a comprehensive after-sales service. For any assistance or help, please contact us through the link given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.